Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today is my 30 day of English speaking practice. And today I am very happy to complete it. And today I am completed my 30 day of English speaking practice. And now I am very happy to share my journey. And today I am discussing about, and I am just here I watched my laptops, and because I have write the something topics and whatever I discussing here. So basically I I'm just talking about the failures. Most of the people they want to they set the target to do something, but they quit after some time. So why does they why the people are doing something like this? This is the problems are like I am just realized that the lack of clear goals, lack of clear goals. Why the people are just they don't they does not have a proper knowledge of about that field, and they are just jumping to and they study about that field, and so that they are in the few after few days just quit it too. They don't understand the concept, and don't understand the properly concept about all these things whatever they try to study. But properly I just suggest you that before dive into the like any syllabus, anything whatever you want to learn, just you are prepare about self and search about him to about that what is the subject and why and what is the pros and cons. Mostly because they just jump it, but before jump you should just uh, search on Google or social media like benefits and pros and cons. When I start to do something, what type of challenges I will face in future. So if you are targeting these things, then you will you or you can also overcome all these things, and you can continue to our journey whatever you are want to following. So basically I just suggest you to before starting any journey, just to suggest to like I am so just and one more thing I'm just including that you just prepare our mind to I am just targeting these things. So basically I must be to complete these things. If I left, if you are left these things whatever you target, so basically after at a particular time you had your this quitting is become your habit, like something you target after 2 days just you quit it, and this will include your habit, and this is the very bad habit for you and for me also. If am I targeting anything to do something, so basically after few days if I don't follow those things, so basically those things are not will good for my careers and anything. If you and just and now want many people they want to like want to success, and also they want to improve, but they don't want to get a success. Many people they want to improve, but they don't want to face the challenges, they don't want to take the challenge, they don't want to they don't want to means अपने आप को they don't want to like go with the difficult situation, they don't want to like uh, they don't want to like मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि अपने आप को लोग पीड़ा नहीं देना चाहते. They don't want to give ourselves to the hard situation, through the hard situation. Like if you are studying, if you are targeting to study, today I am studying. Today I studied like 7 to 6 hours. But if you are if you are targeting that thing to I have means I complete the 7 hour study. So why why you why why do you not complete this? Why did you not complete it? Just you think about it. This is the problem. If you are target something, today I do it, so you do it. You have to do it. You just say yourself, I must be do it. I am I uh, when until I do it, I can't take a rest any rest. When you say yourself like this, then you will be become a something great in future if you are following success. And mostly because they are starting in initial phase, they are pushing ourselves to 100%, they are pushing ourselves I am doing something there, I am and initial days they are studying like I'm full of energy, but after few days they don't work, they will not see the result So just after this they are quitting too. They are just start to like think about, I'm not meant for it, I'm not doing it, I can't be, I can't be to do it. But they are, and just you can just you think like this, every day are not the same as like a previous day. Some days you are just feeling like a motivated, but some days you don't feel like motivated, demotivated. So basically, when you, your future will be decided that when you feel like, when you feel demotivated at that moment, how will we manage the situation. So basically I am just saying that these things, and these things will, when will happen, it will happen when we will prepare, when you will be prepare our mindset, when your mindset will be like next level, when you are, when your target will something great, something big, and you are the dream of your goal. You are just thinking, most of the time you are thinking about your dreams. I can do it, I can do, I have to do it, I have to do it, I, and I will have to do it, I will have to do it. Just if you are saying like this, then you will be do something in your life, and it must be to do. You don't think about this to like, and success will come with the gradual process. Once you are just invest ourselves since a long time, if you are like, if you will be start to work like 2 or 3 years, then success will come, success will come in your life. You don't, it it's not possible to it is not possible like to just you have a start to just you start to work on that area and you get a success within the 2 months, 3 months. It's not possible, bro. You will be give, you have, you will have to give a like one to at least 1 to 2 hours to get a success. Anything is small, like in these times there are mostly competitions are huge, competition are increased, but also, and the other hand, on the other hand, competition will also reduce due to the social media, chat GPT, many things, so many things are happening in the society. Then just you can relate ourselves to, and you can also indulge ourselves to both the reels and social media, matches, cricket match, anything other things. Most of the students they are facing us. They are just they are just face this type of problem. And me also, if I if I if I if I was talking about if I was talking about my previous 2 or 3 months ago, a couple of months ago, I am just I was just I was also like this, the people like this, the student where I did watch the lots of lots of social media and anything, and just talk about the, but once I fix my goal to do something, to have to come like on my target, I have complete my PSA and development. I have to complete my project. So many things when I in my mind, most of the times it's going on. So that's why I'm focusing. Just currently my sessional exams are running. So basically, I'm preparing for my sessional exam, and I'm mostly, and previous yesterday just I was thinking about my ex. Sometimes I automatically just start to think about her, and my mind is, I disturb, not disturb, but I just control ourselves. I say myself that again, this is the time. If you are control ourselves, if you are manage ourselves, next day will not think about her. So I'm just saying myself, because just I, my mind says that you are don't you are alone, you don't have anyone to talk with you, you haven't, you have not any to talk with you. So basically this type of thoughts in my mind continuously coming on, continuously repeated. But I just say myself, and I'm doing a study. I do the study, I do the I had a study. So basically, and today I'm just feel like happy to here, and today I'm just discussing about, and here I am just completing the one topic, and here and now I'm just going to like discuss about, instead of like people, instead of saying I want to improve myself, say I will practice to speak 30 minutes every day. Just serious. I'm all basically I use the chat GPT to improve, enhance my English speaking journey too, because it helped me to know it. it helped me to lot to improve my efficiency. And I know that I do the lots of mistakes while speaking, but although it's not matter that to what does I do the mistakes, but it's matter that the fluency. If you have a fluency, then don't matter where does you do the mistakes. And at the after a particular time, you start to speak like a fluency. You have to speak. You will have to you will start to speak correct grammar, using the correct grammar, anything else. And but if you and it will happen when you are practicing on daily basis. Like, just to compare myself to when I start to speak this language first day, at that time I wa- I I was just not I was not think about in English. Just I was start translating myself to Hindi to English. Then I but nowadays just I don't force myself to think about it. Just automatically my sentences come to whatever I speak here, just whatever I want to speak here, and communicate it well. And I know that if I will maintain the same way to consistency within the next 2 months, 3 months, I will definitely deem so that I am doing a better. I will grab a more opportunity, because this language will open the lots of doors. This language will me open me to like lots of jobs. Like, they will not give you the job, they will provide you to opportunities. Like, if you will not able to speak this language, if you will not explain our project or anything whatever the interviewer asks you, so how can it possible to speak, how can it possible to get the job? So just I said that you should start to speak this language. Until you start this language, just you are go with flow. And where you does it don't matter. Like, whatever you know the grammar, just you start to speak this language, and just you are start to speak this language, and gradually to learn the new vocabulary, new grammar, new sentences. Automatically within the 2 and 3 months you realize that I am the right track to speak. To practice this language, you can definitely speak this language and like me. And I just say that. And now they just I'm very confident to speak this language. And before speaking this language, sometimes I feel like nervous in front of like the people, in front of others. But when I am becoming the fluent in this language, this will not I will not stop anywhere to speak this language. And I have mostly the people start to think about the grammar. Just whatever you speak, don't think about the grammar. Grammar will automatically to improve at the after a particular time. So basically, you just start to speak this language. Fluency is the more matter state of like thinking about the like grammar mistakes. Grammar mistakes will gradually improve while practicing. And the most important problem is that the people, they are just thinking about the grammar mistakes. They don't think about the grammar mistakes. They don't hesitate to speak this language. Just you are record ourselves in the front of camera, and you should, after recording the video, just you start to listen whatever you speak. And you will be follow the tricks to speak this language. You will be become a good speaker. You will be as much like, I'm just not saying that like तुम बहुत बड़ा बन जाओ, यू आर बिग टू तुम बहुत बड़ा इंग्लिश स्पीकर बन जाओ. आई एम नॉट सेइंग लाइक दिस टू बिकम लाइक वेरी फ्लुएंट इन दिस लैंग्वेज. लाइक इतना बन जाओ इंग्लिश में कि एज मच एज यू कैन बिकम दिस लैंग्वेज, यू कैन जस्ट एक्सप्रेस आउट जस्ट यू आर कम्युनिकेट विद क्लाइंट्स, जस्ट यू आर कम्युनिकेट विद मैनेजर्स एंड एनीवेयर. If as much as you know this language, try to know this language. You are not instead of whereas most of the people just think about like I'm doing I'm learned all the grammar, all these things, then I will start to speak this language. Just so I don't so you can't be speak this language. Instead of when you think like this, instead of thinking like this, you will instead of thinking when I will learn this language, this think like this too. Whatever I know the grammar, so just and it's enough to speak this language. I'm just using the normal grammar too. Instead I'm normal grammar too. I don't use I haven't used like so far in my video, all my previous videos, so like a different grammar, different word of vocabulary word. But nowadays just I'm using a simple grammar to make the videos and structure of basic structure of sentences. So it will the like happening with the like. And mostly I'm also thinking, in my previous days I was also thinking about like the same way to say before I start speaking this language I do the lots of mistakes. I'm thinking about like grammar, but you don't think about it, just start mostly and now I'm go to the lack of consistency. Yeah, the consistency here is the most important thing for speaking this language. If you have a consistency, I mostly video in my mostly video I say you too. Consistency always beats the talent. Why? If you have a talent, but if you don't do anything, if you are a talent, but you are also work on yourself, then you will it will good to you are definitely to achieve something. But if you don't have a knowledge, but you will if you are maintaining the consistency, then you you have to do something different. You have to one day definitely come in your life to, and that day you will be just like feel like I am just great. If you realize ourselves to like a previous day and compare that moment to, you are just feeling like wow, yeah, I am just speaking. I am just I am very changes in my previous days in my couple of months ago. Nowadays, just I am thinking about like I am the if I talk about my if I were talk about my previous 1 month later. So basically, I that day today I compare that to I I haven't speak this language. I just I today before I was just when I start to record video started to record with that video. So that day I would just in my mind just I think about the I do I don't realize that today it was my worst day. So basically I can't I could not be able to speak utter a single sentence. I just in my mind I feel like a demotivated while recording the videos, but I don't know what had happened with me. So basically, but now I am the 30 day completed. I am completed my 30 day. I'm very happy to take. I am very happy that too. I have completed my 30 day challenge. I am in this. It, I am single day. I'm just sharing my experience. I don't stop to speak. I don't stop to record myself to speak this language to record ourselves the videos. I just every day I maintain the consistency. That's why today I speak this language in front of camera. why why it's happened with the help of the consistency and the discipline will also open the lots of door when you start to do something. So basically I'm saying that to you are just focusing ourselves whatever you want to do. You must be to do this, anything, but you should maintain the consistency. You will have to maintain the consistency, and consistency will always come with the hard work. If you are ready for hard work, if you are ready for face the challenge, if you have a fire, if you have a like बोलते हैं कि मेरे अंदर आग है. If you have a fire off in your body, I'm not I am just not saying about like fire means I'm not recalling the sentence what should I speak here, but I just speak the Hindi. And you should also do the same practices when you start to speak this language. Sometimes you don't you forget the lines, you forget the sentence what should I speak, where you just speak the Hindi in Hindi. So don't matter like you don't do that, you don't do the crime, just you speak out there, just you are share your ideas and feelings to one person understand easily. So you can't you that's it to speak this language in India as it is. So now I am just record the 20-minute video here. I stop it the recording the sessions because in my phone it is not more sufficient storage to record the video. So here I just stop it.